Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha, and here on my channel we talk about all of my favorite things. Today's video is a quick meal. A series where I show you guys some quick 30-minute meal options for the busy moms. And today we are making salmon and fried rice. I have some rice left over from Chinese takeout, some white rice left over. So I'm going to make fried rice, salmon, and some shrimp for my kids, and probably some like steamable broccoli on the side as well. So let's get right into it. My kids aren't really big fans of salmon, so I'm gonna make shrimp also. I like my salmon with a Thai curry sauce, so I'm gonna do that as well. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. This is a very quick meal. I am using some, using my resources. I had some leftovers. I'm going to make a meal out of the rice and kind of enhance that rice a little bit, but let's get right into it. Let's run down the ingredients. So I have my leftover white rice just from Chinese yesterday, and then I have 3 eggs. I love a lot of egg in my fried rice. I just chopped up some onions because I love like crispy onions with my salmon. So I cut up some onions because we always have onions, we always have peppers. And then I was looking for frozen mixed vegetables, but we didn't have any, so I'm going to use a can for my rice. And then I'm also going to make a side of broccoli for extra fiber because I love vegetables. And then I just need soy sauce, and I need sesame oil. Let me grab that. And then this is the sauce that I love with my salmon right now. So I'm going to make the salmon with this sauce, but the shrimp I'm just going to do like a very light probably sauce that is neutral for the kids because they don't really like it. This isn't spicy, so my kids should like this, but I don't know. There's no spice, like it's not really spicy, so hopefully they like this. But I love this. So good. Beans, I just have this shrimp that I'm trying to thaw out here, and then I have this salmon that I picked up from Sam's Club. So I'm just gonna cook all 3 pieces. They are pre-seasoned, but I'm still gonna add the sauce and some like salt and pepper and things like that, but it's gonna be so good. All right.